Outrage continues to pour over Kolkata campus rape horror. Custody of all the accused ends today. In fact, shocking revelations have emerged in SIT probe in the Kolkata rape case. Findings have revealed that the key accused, Manojit, stalked the victim since she joined the college and also planned to torture the survivor. Not only this, two co-accused in the case, Zeb and Pramit, were also known to harass girls on the campus. In fact, they allegedly recorded videos of harassment and used it to blackmail women. The SIT probe continues. Medical examination of the victim and the accused have been completed. Forensic examination of the crime scene has also been completed. BJP fact-finding committee alleges systematic pattern of crimes against women in Bengal and also reiterated that TMC was shielding the key accused Manojit in the case. Meanwhile, Bengal government lashed out at TMC for politicizing a sensitive matter. They also claimed accused was long ago disowned by the party.
फैक्ट फाइंडिंग कमेटी ये बिप्लब देव जो त्रिपुरा से आया है वो ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड देखिए ना, वो जब चीफ मिनिस्टर थे, अभी जब भाजपा का जो गवर्नमेंट है, कितना लंबा लिस्ट हो जाएगा क्राइम अगेंस्ट वीमेन। तो ये लोग नोटंकी करने इधर आया है, जहां पे पुलिस एक्शन ले लिया। कस्बा की जो इंसिडेंट है हम लोग कॉन्डेम किया, चीफ मिनिस्टर है यहाँ पे, पुलिस एक्शन ले लिया, अरेस्ट हो गया, इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रहा है, विक्टिम फैमिली का पूरा ट्रस्ट है पुलिस का ऊपर। तो वो लोग यहाँ पर नाटक करने के लिए आया है।
इस प्रदेश की एक अनियमितता ये रही है कि यहाँ पर जो अपराधीकरण है वो राजनीति का हो गया है और उन अपराधियों को शरण दी जाती है राजनीति के द्वारा और उस शरण के माध्यम से उन सबके अपॉइंटमेंट किए जा रहे हैं कॉलेजेस के अंदर और उसी एक्सेस का इस्तेमाल करते हुए वो इस तरीके की दुर्घटनाएं में शामिल हो रहे हैं और इस प्रकार का दुर्व्यवहार हमारी बच्चियों के साथ हो रहा है। तो इसमें जो आपको समझना होगा वो ये समझना होगा कि पूरा जो राजनीतिक सिस्टम है वो ब्रेकडाउन कर गया है और उस ब्रेकडाउन का जो खामियाजा है वो जनता को भुगतना पड़ रहा है।
महिलाएं पूरी तरह से असुरक्षित हैं, सामान्य आदमी असुरक्षित हैं, गुंडों को प्रोटेक्शन मिलता है, पूरी तरह से गवर्नेंस जो है फेल हो चुकी है। और जिस प्रकार से हम लोगों ने पुलिस कमिश्नर को भी ये सजेशन दिया है कि लोगों की शिकायत है कि एफआईआर रजिस्टर्ड नहीं होती है, कम से कम महिलाओं का जो भी कोई केस है, महिला के ऊपर कोई राजनीति नहीं होना चाहिए, किसी प्रेशर में नहीं आना चाहिए, उनका फ्री एफआईआर होना चाहिए, ईमानदारी से उसका इन्वेस्टिगेशन होना चाहिए।
उसके इतना रिकॉर्ड खराब है, सिलोतानी का केस है, मर्डर, उसके मारपीट का आसामी है, ड्रग्स का आसामी है, पुलिस के साथ मारपीट करने का वो आसामी है। उस व्यक्ति को कैसे आपने वहाँ दे दिया? इसलिए नॉन बेलेबल, मैं तो बोल ही रहा हूँ, नॉन बेलेबल सेक्शन रहने के बावजूद भी उसको बेल मिल जाता है। तृणमूल के बड़े बड़े नेताओं के साथ उसका संबंध है और छात्र परिषद में सेक्रेटरी है, तो स्वाभाविक तौर पे ये लोग ये स्टेट स्पॉन्सर्ड रेप, स्टेट स्पॉन्सर्ड लॉ एंड ऑर्डर को तो डाउन ही खुद किया जाता है।
ये फैक्ट फाइंडिंग कमेटी इसीलिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने बनाई ताकि सच्चाई लोगों के सामने आ सके। पुलिस तो गंभीर से गंभीर संगीन अपराधों को अब इतिहास रहा है कि हशप करती है, एविडेंस जो है सो डिस्ट्रॉय कर देती है, डिमोलिश कर देती है। तो अब देखिए पुलिस ने हम लोगों को कोऑपरेट नहीं किया, हम लोगों को कॉलेज में इंटर करने का पूरा तरह मौका नहीं दिया, पीड़िता से मिलने का मौका नहीं दिया, उनके परिजनों से मिलने का मौका नहीं दिया। लेकिन जो कुछ हमने कलेक्ट किया है वो रिपोर्ट हम देंगे अपनी पार्टी।
फैक्ट फाइंडिंग कमेटी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहा है, वो लोग अपनी जो अनुभूति मिला है वो बोल देगा, उनको बोलने दीजिए। मैं तो कर रहा हूँ, हमारी स्टेट में कोई बेटी, कोई कन्या सुरक्षित नहीं है।
And we're now getting some more inputs on this particular story. Governing body of South Calcutta Law College approved Manojit's appointment and questions are now being raised on Zeb's admission. A letter issued by the governing body of South Calcutta Law College addressed to the vice principal regarding the renewal of appointment for Manojit Mishra, the prime accused in the gang rape case. Now, this letter dated August 30, 2024 confirms that the governing body had approved and authorized the vice principal to issue an appointment letter to Manojit Mishra as an office staff member temporarily The decision was taken during a governing body meeting, and the letter explicitly instructed the vice principal to proceed with issuing the appointment as per rules. So, governing body of South Calcutta Law College approved Monojit's appointment, and now questions are also being raised on Zeb's admission. My colleague Rajesh Saha is now joining us with more details on this. Rajesh, as we heard the batchmate of Monojit Mishra mentioning that there has been a history of sex crimes that Monojit has committed in the past as well, but the victims could not speak up because of his political clout. So despite all those factors, Monojit's appointment was approved by the governing body of the South Law Calcutta College.
Absolutely, and this is why questions are being raised against the college authority and the governing body, because despite having several criminal records, including the records of police complaint regarding molestation. And several complaints were registered at Kosba police station against this Monojit Mishra. Despite having several criminal records, he was appointed as a contractual staff at the same college by the college authority and approved by the governing body. So the serious allegations are being raised against the governing body also, and college authority are also being questioned by Kolkata police right now. And let me tell you another latest update regarding the investigation, because the officers of special investigation team are currently analyzing some technical and scientific evidences, including the tower location, including CCTV footage and CDR, the call details record. And right now we are getting information from Kolkata police that when Kolkata police analyzed the tower location of 5 persons, what those 5 persons, 3 FIM accused, the security guard of this college, victim persons, all the tower locations of all these 5 persons were analyzed by the officers of special investigation team, and during the investigation their tower locations have been matched and found in a same place. During investigation, Kolkata police sources claims that all the tower locations of all these 5 persons were found in a same place, which is South Calcutta Law College, during the alleged during the time when the crime committed, and that proves they were together from 7:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. in the night of Wednesday, and which will be playing an important role during the investigation against these arrested accused. Anjali.
Absolutely, Rajesh. Thank you so much for getting us those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on the story that we're tracking. In fact, India Today's Rajdeep Sardesai also spoke with Bengal Minister Shashi Panja on the Kolkata rape horror and the politics that has been playing around the case. Listen in.
Last year it was RG Kar in Kolkata, government hospital, where a rape and a murder of the young woman takes place. This year it is another horrific rape that takes place inside a government law campus. Would you concede that this is hugely embarrassing for a government run by a woman chief minister? Dare I say any chief minister, but particularly a woman chief minister in a state like West Bengal?
Yes, of course, we are very aggrieved about this, and it's really heartbreaking. It's painful, and of course, we are not putting anything, we are not defending ourselves. It is just that we are trying to put things on record, and it's good that Kolkata police swung into action. It was swift and decisive, and within 12 hours of receiving the complaint, they could be nabbed, and they are in police custody. The investigation is on. As of now, almost 4 of them have been arrested, and the 9-member SIT has been formed, and we are extremely serious about this.
But ma'am, are you aggrieved or embarrassed? Just a minute, ma'am. Are you aggrieved or embarrassed at the end of the day?
No, we are aggrieved.
I mean, at the end of the day, here is a case in this particular instance where the individual who's the main accused, Monojit Mishra, is someone who was a member of your Trinamool Chhatra Parishad. There are photographs of him with your leaders. There are posters of him in the college, one of which also had Abhishek Banerjee and Mamta Banerjee in the background while he's addressing students. So here is someone whom the BJP is saying is directly connected, was protected in a way by the Trinamool, and therefore could carry out an act like this with impunity inside a college campus.
No, there was also a time in 2018 when he was expelled. And even if you see the last 2022 committee, because there have been no elections even after that, in fact, even during COVID and after, even the 2022 committee, which was just a temporary committee, does not have his name on it. Nevertheless, he has continued to, brazenly say that he was associated with Trinamool Congress, which I think is one of the fallout, or I would say, people try to associate themselves with the ruling party. We are absolutely disgusted with him, and I think we have disowned him long time back, and he was not in the committee. He should.
Kolkata rape horror takes a political twist. Accused seen with top TMC leaders, FIR under scanner, and also accused batchmate claiming Manojit's past sex crimes and how he got away with it due to his political clout. Is justice being manipulated? Take a look at this report.
Even as the probe deepens into the horrific Kolkata rape case, shocking new revelations are sparking outrage across Bengal. Shockingly, a former batchmate of accused Manojit Mishra told India Today that he had multiple charges of misconduct involving female students and used his political clout to silence the victims.
पर 2018 तक उसका जो हरकत था, ये मतलब क्या बोले, मोलेस्टेशन से लेके मारपीट से लेके पैसा कोरी का एक्सटॉर्शन से लेके इतना हरकत था। तो 18 में हम लोगों ने फिर से हिम्मत जुटाया, उसको फिर से हम लोग निकाल दिया। आज जैसा सुनने को आ रहा है कि इस विक्टिम की वीडियो करके रखी है, उस टाइम भी उसने उस विक्टिम की वीडियो की थी। गवर्निंग बॉडी ने उसको बोल दिया था लास्ट टाइम में, जब 2019 का बाद में बोलो तुमसे पढ़ाई करोगे, नहीं तो अदरवाइज तुमको सस्पेंड कर दिया जाएगा।
Very unfortunate, and our Trinamool Congress Chhatra Parishad wing president did say that after 2022 he was not even part of the committee in that law college. If anything has happened in the past, I think I guess this is something which should not have happened. The police has taken action. Even these things are unfolding now. We are coming to know all this.
The BJP has come out all guns blazing, alleging direct links between the accused and the ruling Trinamool Congress. The party has released photos of main accused Manojit Mishra with TMC heavyweight Abhishek Banerjee and Minister Chandrima Bhattacharya, and documents showing accused Zaib Ahmed with low scores making it to the South Calcutta Law College merit list.
Zaib Ahmed, who scored 2634. This was his rank for the admission. This is the merit-wise list of all the candidates. Now, what the BJP is claiming is that despite scoring low and getting a mere rank of 2634, he was allowed admission in the institution, whereas other students who scored far better than what Zaib Ahmed had scored, they were still not allowed admission in the educational institutions.
A video showing Manojit leading a TMC rally shouting party slogans has also surfaced.
वो लोग टीएमसी का आदमी है, कैसे मतलब सुरक्षा गार्ड भी तो टीएमसी का आदमी है। कोई एग्जाम देकर नौकरी मिला, पार्टी कैडर इसलिए नौकरी। यहाँ पूरा स्टेट में पिछले 14 साल में कोई परमानेंट नौकरी नहीं हुआ, सब कॉन्ट्रेक्चुअल कैजुअल एम्प्लॉय किया, वो पार्टी जो लिस्ट दिया उसमें ही हुआ।
The BJP is alleging manipulation in the FIR with initials of the accused mismatched. J for Manojit, M for Zaib, P for Pramit. Is this just another case of sexual violence or a chilling glimpse into how power, politics and privilege can crush justice before it even begins? With Rajesh Shah and Taposh Sengupta in Kolkata, Bureau Report, India Today.